This is so good. Ang bago na. This one.
I don't like honey.
Really? This is good.
No, I'm allergic to honey.
I'm allergic. Kailan ka pala allergic? It's so good. I love this so much. We're so pawis. Kasi ang layo ng nilakad namin. Right, Bamba?
Thank you. Oh, I like the side. I like the side.
Nasa Mama Luz kami. I'm still here in Pampanga. She visited me. Wait, huwag mo i-show yun, baka mabanda. I miss you so much.
Bro, I'm wearing a hat. Look that.
Yeah, same kami. I miss you. Say hi to them. Grabe, sobrang na-miss ko si Tor. Di ba Bamba? Did you miss me too? No. You don't miss me na.
Noah.
Oh, ba't din ganyan na? Yan. Guys, nasa mall ako. Kasi wala na akong masuot.
But mommy, not actually you did bad food.
Huh?
And then here pop up you did the bad food.
No.
You saw the picture.
That's not me.
See? That's you. That's you. Liar.
Oh, no.
No.
It's my friend, not me.
Noah.
You saw.
I think you're just imagining. Where is Bambam's wife?
Huh?
Guys, Bambam, my auntie is single.
Why? They want me to have a lover already? Oh, why are you telling them that I'm single?
I mean, he's not single.
Ikaw may naman. Mozzarella.
This is yours. I want. Try before you say no.
Say that to me always.
Kasi I'm on a diet nga. That's not anti-inflammatory. Someone said you look the same. We look alike. Oh, I don't want. Okay, let's try it now. It's hot, but it's hot. What are you eating? Yung bread? Alam mo, before tayo magkita, di ba nag-eat na kayo? Super lax ka ha? Food trip ka dito, B? Yeah, ako nag-ayos ng hair niya. Grabe, pinawisan kaming dalawa. As in, kasi nga ang layo ng nilakad namin. And kaya ako nasa mall kasi wala na akong masuot. Kasi originally, 3 days lang talaga ako dito. Tapos, wala, parang hindi ko maiwan yung CX. Kaya yun.
Now, can you say hi to me once?
Ayan mo, I told you daw.
Now, say hi to me
Me?
once.
Me?
No, me.
They don't like kids who don't know how to tie their shoelaces. Come here, bro. Oh, I like your outfit. Show them your top.
Okay,
Bruh, that's Charlotte Hope. Period.
You say hi.
Huh? Hello po. What time is it? It's 4. Okay, should we try this now?
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. There's a double bestseller, blue cheese truffle pasta.
Thank you po.
My pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you so
My pleasure. Enjoy your food and then let me know if you need anything.
Okay, thank you
19
po.
and Mr.
Thank you. I'll try this. Easy. Show them, show them. Cheese.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Oh, why does that only slowly eat?
I don't like it. It's fried.
I like it.
Like it? Wanna try this? Truffle pasta. It's not that.
After later, wait.
No, I put it on your plate.
I'm not tired.
This is all yours.
No, that's not good.
I just want the steak.
I cannot finish that.
This one, it's so tiny lang. Okay. Kamusta ka po ngayon? Okay lang, wala nang damit. Kami lang yung nandito sa restaurant. Yeah, ang init dito, grabe. Ate, what? Water? Oh! Grabe. Alam niyo, bago kami magkita, kumain na yan. Gusto po. Bakit wala pala kayo? Pwede mo na lang po. Thank you. Super love si Buddy. I just tried this. Parang nawalan ako ng gana ko na. Thank you po. So good. No. No.
Now we eat like this. Eat like this. No spoon.
Yeah, that's fine. It's so good. It's good, right? Ang piti. Ayun. Easy ka lang, B. Sarap ng pasta, no? Bambam. Rate it. 1 to 10.
10.
Really? I like the bread with honey. Alam niyo ba, bumili ako ng ganito. Kasi sobrang sarap. Dito ko yun nabili, yung honey na ginagamit ko sa sardo. Ah, mashed potato po yung...
Dito, sige po, bigyan ko na lang po kayo ng mashed potato.
Thank you. Don't try.
Try ko na lang.
And you have steak?
Yeah.
Bas. Bigyan ka ng mashed potato.
Can you...
Hindi rice mo sa kalala.
Yeah. I know how ba. Ay, ito. Use this. Weird.
Guys, look at this.
Show them. Sarap. Barot. Yummy.
So good.
Really?
See?
Ang sarap. It's so good, bro. Tapos kahit na ko yun. Want? Butas. Ako na.
No, it's so good. It's so good.
It's so good, right?
Steak and bread.
Guys, parehas talaga kami ng gusto sa food. As in, lahat ng kinakain ko, kinakain ko. Except sa honey. Ang sarap mo, Tori. That's in your mouth.
Yeah.
Very
Can you
nice.
have that?
Yeah, this is all yours. I'll put it.
No, I want like that stuff.
Okay.
Can you have my fork?
Wait. Relax, bro. Relax.
Can you give me that?
mashed potato for...
You want mashed potato? Ang gulo-gulo ng table natin. B? Saang resto po yan? Mama Luz. We're in SM Pampanga.
We were too young with mashed potato.
Arte? Good.
Try with mashed potato. See?
Marap.
No, this is with blood. This is the most blood. I'll show you guys. You get mashed potato. You get mashed potato.
Ba't ang arte mo? Mashed potato.
Oh, I'll do it now. Mashed potato.
Show them.
Wait.
Wait. Ayan, yan, Bob.
You get mashed potato and then you get this one again. Eat it.
So good. I like it. Masarap.
You can have this.
Why? It's too red.
Yeah.
Too good.
Like this. I'll show you again.
Go. Get a big chunk.
Potato, mashed potato, and then steak.
So good. Kala ko ba diet? Kala ko ba clean eating?
Yeah, nga, you're so...
What?
Ano ba talaga?
Kasi you're here. Gusto mo kumain ka ng masarap na food. Diba? Oh, good.
So, I'm gonna get water. Water.
Ba't ang arte mo, Bambam? Your accent is so arte.
Okay na po
Okay
kayo
lang
dyan,
po. Thank you.
Thank you po. You food po.
Thank you po.
Pleasure, ma'am.
Want more?
No, you can have this.
It's too red. Oh, here.
Yay!
You want with taba?
No. You like taba?
It's okay lang.
Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Check my this not like this mashed potato. I mean mashed potato with steak. Maybe they learn my word.
Yeah. Di ka naman ganyan. I like the truffle pasta. Hindi mo na pinansin.
So, I need water. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Guys, my real name, this not my real name. My real name is Olivia, not Tori.
Only? Are you full?
No,
Okay. One pasta.
I just want steak.
Love you. I want to see your eyes. No, I don't have lashes. Yaka na? I'm full na.
Me too. What I'm gonna try to finish.
Yeah, finish that.
That is so yummy.
I don't eat rice. Lala. Petit? My shirt, this is from H&M.
Mama outfit. You say where your outfit came from. No.
Shirt from H&M. Pants from, I forgot where.
No jeans. No jeans.
I'm so full na. Let's go na. Dalian mo na. I need new clothes. What did you buy here?
These you like. Where is Bum Bum's husband?
Huh?
Where's Bum Bum's wife? If someone says it's me, it's not her. It's only Nicole.
Who's Nicole?
Nicole, that's only my wife. Ah,
Nicole, my wife? Who said that?
your friend Nicole. She's your wife. Then he said it's only yours.
Really? Pumunta kasi si Nicole sa pop-up tapos nakausap niya.
He's a nice person. She likes Nicole.
Really? Did you say thank you?
Yeah. And I saw her on TikTok saying, dancing on a bit.
What's that?
No, that's her so electric.
You're so funny. Are you full now? Come here, not close.
I miss you so much. Yeah. You smell good pa.
Weh.
Di ba you said you can still buy it on TikTok?
No, what if, kasi guys, addict siya sa Jisoo Life. Gusto niya ng Jisoo Life. Ewan ko kung bakit.
Because I like my panahon like you.
The silver, is it silver or black?
Why?
Ah, you want the white one?
Or black or gray. I think I just said gray. This black.
Oh, di yours man lang yung akin.
No.
You want a new one?
Yeah, I want gray na lang.
Spoiled naman.
I want gray. Gray.
Why? Did you do, ano ba? Did you do,
No, just think about it.
you know what? I'm trying my best here, you know? I don't want to buy you na nga. I don't want you to buy you Jisoo Life na.
Okay.
Ano, if I don't buy you Jisoo Life, will you still love me? O, tingnan mo. Pag, if I don't have money, hindi mo na ako gusto.
Okay mo.
You still love me? Kahit
Yeah.
walang Jisoo Life? Kahit na walang steak?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
sabi mo you love me kasi I always buy you things eh. Di ba?
What is this here? Gabby's here?
Di ba, ano, sorry, it's Travis's graduation. Ba't di ka pumunta? Bye na.
Bye-bye.
Everyone.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Bye everyone. Or later na ba? Magbabayad lang ako.
Later na. I wanna talk to them first.
Wow, talaga ba?
I wanna wash my hands.
Okay. Wait for me. What's up, SM Pampanga? Naka-mute? Hello po.
Hello mo.
Ay, SM Clark pala. Let's go buy some clothes. Why? Let's go to H&M na lang. Kanina, when you pagkita mo sa akin kanina, ang klingi-klingi niya sa akin. Ngayon, hindi na. Are you sawa na? Ha? Sawa ka na sa akin? Hindi mo na ko, no? What do you want? Want new clothes? Huh? Are you sleepy? Bayin na nga kasi nangangalay na yung kamay ko. Or ibang na lang, angle. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Okay, bye. Hindi yun sa akin. Hindi ko yun phone. Hi! Hinahanap ba nila ako? Asan siya? Opo. Okay.
Back tayo, madam. Thank you po.
Asan sila? Hinahanap ata nila ako sa live. Hello po, kung sino man kayo. Bye! Ayan si Tori. Stay ka muna dyan. Bam Bam! Come na! Why are you sad? Putok Betchin? You're sleepy? Oh, sige na, hanapin natin yung Jisoo life mo. Hanapin natin yung Jisoo life mo. Asan na sila? Ayan, ayan sila. Hi! Hello! Uy, pupunta ka ng pop-up, diba?
Yes po, thank you.
Binigyan mo ka ng sushi. Thank you. Picture tayo.
Yes po, nakabreak lang yan.
Hello. Tara tayong dalawa ron.
Masarap po ba yung sushi?
Ha? Oo, masarap. Thank you, ha. Galing sa inyo pala yun. Thank you. Hiningal siya, oh. Thank you. Magtubig ka, ate. Bye-bye. Bam your shoelaces. Ako na. Hold my phone. Talk to them first. Guys, wala na sa mood si Tori. Pumutok na yung betchin niya, oh. What do you want? You want ice cream? Ice cream? Ayaw mo ice cream? Gusto ko pa naman ipatry sa'yo yung ano, yung... Ano yun? Liao-liao. Hanapin natin yung Jisoo life mo yun. I'll kiss mo ako muna. Why are you sad? Are you sad? Inaantok na siya. Sumakses yung betchin, be. Paano kung magsha-shopping? Ganyan siya. Kailangan ko siya bilan muna ng Jisoo life. Addict siya sa Jisoo life. Ewan ko ba? Bam Bam, can I shop first? Yes? Yes? Okay. Asan ka, bossing? Nandito po ako sa SM Clark. And I don't have clothes anymore, so I need to buy. Ay, ito, may jacket. Gusto ko na ay, meron na pala akong ganyang OOTD. Bam Bam, you want anything? You said kanina you want new clothes.
Yeah, later.
Later, after your Jisoo life? Okay. Oh, let's buy your Jisoo life na nga muna. Para happy ka na. Ito kaya. Si Tori nagpapabebe kasi gusto niya ng Jisoo life. Sige na nga, I'll buy. You're sleeping na? Oh, you're sleeping. Hatid na kita sa hotel. Oh, ba't ayaw mo? Your leg hurts? Oh, here, come. Department store, okay. Alam mo, if nina-toys yung bet ni Tori, mga ganito ng Jisoo Life. Hirap! Ayan o. Ayan o. Hello po. Oh, what do you want? Pink one? Sabi mo white. Pink na lang? Ito yung akin, no? You want the white one or pink? Ha?
White.
White? Hi po. Pwede isa pong white.
Dahil isang white daw. Ito sa akin naman.
Yung white po.
Parang same lang siya sa
Yeah, sige.
Yung sa'yo may gold.
Oh, biglang ganyan. Biglang ganyan. Happy na yan siya.
I'm not gonna ask anymore.
Ha?
I'm not gonna ask anymore.
You're not gonna ask for anything anymore? You're happy now? You hug me.
Baby naman.
Hindi po. Pamangkin ko.
Dito lang.
Ayan na, bomba mo. Wait lang. Like it? Oh, go na. Buy mo na. Pwede isa po.
Ano yung pangalan ng baby? I want pink. Saka sila lang kumagana. I want pink na lang.
Pink na lang? Pink na lang daw. Pwede patingin muna nung pink.
Anong date na yun, 12? 12 na yun, guys?
Ayan, oh. You check which one. Ano mo gusto mong 700? Yan, are you white? Ha? Blue? Pwede pa check din. Ay, pwede ba yung lahat na lang paano para mamili ka?
Anong pangalan yan, guys? Gusto guys?
Yan. Oh. Anong gusto mo dyan?
Ito, maganda. Thanks.
Ito yun. Ha? Blue?
Yung black one. Kaso ano yung ma'am, yung black? 2,599.
Ano, sorry?
2,599 yung black. Kasi yung sa battery yung pinag-iba niya. 5,000.
Sorry.
Mas matagal yun, ma'am. Mas maganda.
Ang battery.
5,000 mAh na po yung abot po siya ng 19.5 hours.
Sige. Pwede patingin din ako dito. Sorry, mamili ka na.
Mas matagal nga lang gamitin yun. Mas maganda. Yung isa kasi hanggang ano lang siya.
Ito parang saglit lang ba to?
2 hours lang siya, ma'am.
Anong pinakagusto mo dyan?
Ito black, yung kanina.
Ito yung akin, bambang.
Ayun yung isa. Anong kulay yung isa dahil?
Brown.
Ay, brown. Brown yung isa.
Which one to?
Pagkita mo na rin yung brown.
Blue na lang?
Blue na lang brown.
Blue
Yes,
na lang daw siya.
better mo.
Sure na yan, ha?
May voucher na, sir.
Are you
Voucher.
sure?
Kahit hindi na po.
Tignan lang yun kung gano'ng kalakas.
Bali yung blue na lang, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Happy na? Happy ka na, bam-bam ko? Okay. Pawis ka na. Tagal-tagal mo na yung gustong bilhin, di ba?
At least meron na service. Pwede rin siya isabit lang kasi meron siyang
Yeah. Thank you po.
Balak na lang ako. Balak na. Kasi na lang tayo.
Okay, let's go. You want anything pa? Si Travis, may ganyan ba?
Yeah, it's black.
Really?
But like the months. Para anong payment? Testing ko natin.
Ah, sige. Haba ng pila box.
Ibu yung oh! Ibu yung... Nakala yung... Baka mo wallet.
Naka-line po kayo?
Opo.
Ah. Here. Okay, what else? Happy ka na? Ano, let's go home na. Hatid na kita sa hotel. Okay. I love floors. I love Philippines. Hi, guys. Bye na. Babalik ako later. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng bagong damit. Wala na akong masuot. Parang ilang...
Here.
Huh?
You're gonna sleep in the hotel too?
Yeah.
I wanna sleep in your hotel.
Why?
Please?
Okay. Kateki. Naka-CF siya. Nalaglag. Guys, bye na. Para makapag-shopping ako ng matiwasay. Bye-bye! Balik ako later kapag nahatid ko na si Tori siguro sa hotel. Love you! Bye!